Hello friends, welcome again. Friends, we are using English language in our day-to-day life. But have you ever asked a question to yourself? Am I using correct English? Am I speaking correctly? Friends, many of us are sometimes, not using correct pronunciation while speaking English language. And friends, that's the reason why I'm here before you with this video on how to improve your pronunciation when you are speaking English language. So friends, let's begin. Friends, we will go through some very common words which we use in our life. Like say for example, the word BOWL. Generally, we speak this word as bowl. But friends, it is incorrect. It's not correct. The correct pronunciation of this word is ball. Please speak it as ball, right? Okay. Another word, ASTHMA. Generally, the people in our society, they speak this word as asthma, but it's not correct. The correct pronunciation of this word is asthma, right? Okay. The next word, which is very popular among the students when we pay the fees at the college, at the schools, we get this coupon, okay, RECEIPT, and generally the students speak it as receipt, but it is not correct. The correct pronunciation of this word is receipt. Here the sound p is silent. Okay. Next word, MOUSSE. Okay. Generally people speak this word as mouse, but that's not correct. The correct pronunciation is mousse, right? Okay. Then the next word, CARAMEL. Okay. Generally, people are habituated of speaking this word as caramel, but the correct pronunciation is caramel, right? Next one is COUPON. Generally, we speak it as coupon, but the correct pronunciation is coupon, right? Okay. Next word is PROMOTION, and generally we have the habit of speaking this word as promotion, okay, but the correct pronunciation is promotion, promotion, okay. Next word, ONION. Generally we speak it as onion, but it's not correct. The correct pronunciation is onion, onion, okay. The next one is this word itself, PRONUNCIATION, and generally we speak it as pronunciation. Pronunciation is wrong. The correct pronunciation is pronunciation, okay, pronunciation. Okay, the next word, RESTAURANT, and generally we speak this word as restaurant, okay, but the correct pronunciation is restaurant. It's a French word which has come to English from French language. Okay, and the correct pronunciation is restaurant. Okay, the next one is buffet, and generally we speak it as buffet, but the correct pronunciation is buffet, right? Okay, the next word, which is again very popular, women. Sometimes we speak it as woman, sometimes we speak it as woman, but the correct pronunciation is women. Okay, women. The next one is wednesday, and generally the students have the habit of speaking this word as Wednesday. Wednesday is wrong. The correct pronunciation is Wednesday. Okay. In the same manner, when we speak Monday, so no, the students speak it as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's not correct. The correct pronunciation is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. So you can say, there is a sharp difference between the incorrect English and correct English. When you say today is Monday, and this is not correct, but when you say today is Monday, is correct. So it makes a difference. Your correct pronunciation makes your speech more impressive and more beautiful. The next word is raspberry, and generally we speak it as raspberry, but here the sound pa is silent. Okay, it's not spoken. So the correct pronunciation is raspberry. Okay, the next one, Espresso, and generally we speak it as espresso. When we are talking about this type of coffee, then we say espresso coffee, but it's wrong. The correct pronunciation is espresso. Here, xo, the sound xo is silent. Espresso. Okay. The next one, almond. Here the sound l is not spoken, right? So don't say almond. Almond is wrong, but when you say almond is correct. Okay. The next one, the word business. Generally, the people in our society speak this word as business. Business is wrong. The correct pronunciation is business, right? So friends, these are some of the important words which we use in our day-to-day conversation. Please take care to speak this word correctly. Good pronunciation makes your speech better, more impressive, more beautiful. So friends, here I end up this video. Please share this video among other students, among other your classmates, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.